evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, as always, this time for tuning in to my 3004th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And, of course, that's me. Hi, kids. What's going on? Hey, before we get started, please recognize the risks behind trading. If you do not know how risky this game is, you're not paying attention at all. In fact, if you don't recognize the risks behind trading, you've never traded. You're new at this, right? Because anyone who's ever traded, believe me, we know the risk. How do you mitigate that risk? Put your protective stop in first before you enter into any live positions, and you've mitigated risk. Do that, you'll live a lot longer in this business. What is on the board for trading on December 4th, which is a Thursday, 2025? Green OMNI for OMNI, S&P, NASDAQ, crypto. Yeah, baby, we love that. Number 2 on the board. First, we had OTAPMA, Save the Markets. Remember, they got the OTAPMA, they got saved. That was an Oscarism. Now we've got the Oscarism known as the F flag, which you've seen in last night's video. F flag to the rescue. So far, so good. These two tell us. Number 3, Santa is coming to town. Santa rally looks like it's on its way. Now, we've got a few weeks before Christmas, so anything can happen, but the idea is by the end of the year, we will gravitate higher. Number 4 on the board, the OMNI trading token is killing it, all-time new highs. That's because of you, my Omniacs around the world. I thank you so much for what you're doing. You see, if you look on pump.fun, if you look there, you will see the trades that go into the OMNI. You will notice that when I trade, it says DEV for developer, dev. When I trade, it tells you if I bought or sold. You will see nothing but buys from me since the day we started this token. I do that to help protect you and keep the integrity of your long positions in place. And you guys seem to all do the same, you guys and gals. What I've noticed is you're doing exactly what I've asked you to do with the OMNI token. If some clown comes in and starts selling, we come out of the woodwork around the world, us Omniacs buy it right back up, and it's really working, and I will be there to support you, as you know. Now, I have mentioned we're building our liquidity pool. I just added some more to the OMNI liquidity pool right before this video, and we've got the advertising going. We've got a huge campaign going there. We've got websites built. There's all sorts of great stuff to help advertise the OMNI token. So if you haven't gotten in yet, Omniacs around the world, if you haven't gone to pump.fun, Dex Screener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, MEXC, but pump.fun is the best place to go. Why? For one reason only. I don't know if the platform's better than any other, but I'm there streaming live on video and microphone. So if you go to pump.fun and look up the OMNI trading token, you should buy it. We've got a lot of targets we're going to hit. We're expecting the $1 million target to be hit almost immediately. The next is 3. We're going to keep moving from there, but you got to get in now before the big advertising hits the papers. So make sure you get in, get your OMNI tokens now. I'm buying them. My family owns them. You guys should make sure you have them too. You've got my integrity, which you've known for decades now, to protect you, and you know I will. Thank you for all you're doing with that OMNI token. We love it. So, we're going to look at some charts about OMNI, S&P, NASDAQ, crypto. We're going to look at the F flags and the OTAPMA. That tells us about Santa, and we'll take a look at the OMNI trading token. Traders, before we look at charts, which is always the most educational part of anything that I ever do for myself, because no matter what we speak about, the charts are even clearer to me than that. So I'm going to show you some great charts. Before we get to that chart segment, you must remember this. You've got to say this motto to yourselves every day, especially when you're about to put orders in, so that you don't freak yourself out, and it will really help you get through these rough and tumble markets. Then we'll go look at some charts. Are you ready? Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, soar, in. Emotions are out. That is the truth. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Now, kids, let's go look at some charts. Traders, this chart was before your eyes in last night's video, exactly here, and I said, look, this is an Oscarism known as an F flag. What makes it different from a regular bull flag is a bull flag is usually shaped like this, right? The market moves up quickly and then puts in a few consolidation bars and then moves back up. That would be a traditional bull flag. This is an F flag because you can see that the flagpole is here, but the flag goes up, not down. All right, but it's still bullish. It's an Oscarism called an F flag. And what I said was the Omni's neutral, which takes the cuffs off of me. I can do whatever I want. And we're going to use this F flag to trade. And what we're going to do is buy it right here. So I put out a trading recommendation this morning where to get long NASDAQ. That was my buy spot. This is where we were. And this is what happened, kids. That's the daily bar that grew. Boom, right from the spot we bought it. It went straight up. We hopped out, and the OMNIX had a fantastic day trading NASDAQ today. Ooh, nice Oscarism, right? Well, look what happened since. Now, S&P, it's in an F flag. Oscarism held OTAPMA, right? OTAPMA to the rescue, rallied up into a flagpole. F flag, if it's going to follow NASDAQ, it's getting out of the F flag on the upside. It's not just there. Look at Russell 2000. Ever since we got Powellized, if you will, when Powell got silly with his words, knocked us all the way down, we get back to OTAPMA. We get saved by the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, runs up into a flagpole, and now we've got an F flag or bullish F flag in the Russ. You got to clap for that because that should mean higher. And the Omni's bullish for trading on Thursday. Then we roll out to Mr. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. We love Bitcoin, especially when it's bullish and we have a bullish Omni. And OMNIX, if you recall, I gave you buy spots, multiple buy spots to get yourselves long. 3 different spots. I got long here, here, and here, and so far it is working out just fine. We expect even higher for trading on Thursday. And then the prize, the Omni Trading Token. Love you, OMNIX, for what you're doing. You, OMNIX, are amazing. You're doing everything you promised me you would do, which is why I'm, of course, doing everything for you, OMNIX, that I promised. What is that? When anybody comes in to sell, OMNIX come out of the woodwork and go, nah, not happening, and I'm there to help you guys. It's happened every time there was a mistake or on purpose. OMNIX came right back in. We love you, OMNIX. You know why? We're at all-time highs right now, and that's because of you, and I will continue to build the liquidity pool. I will continue to put more money behind this, and I will back all of you. Hold on to your tokens and buy more. You've got me holding this up for you, kids, and you know my integrity. Thank you for everything you do. Go to pump.fun, grab yourselves Omni Trading tokens, and thank you, OMNIX. You're fantastic. And remember, stops are in, emotions are out, especially when you trade a crypto. Keep those emotions out. Thanks for being here, OMNIX. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.